Alright, we're back. We're doing the Hearthstones here. Anyways, I got my MLG wristband going. I'm ready to face this mofo. This is Hearthstone versus boom boom boom. Hold on. This is Hearthstone versus Airhorn. Anyways, I'll make sure to edit in that air horn right there. Wait, another air horn. Heard that? Air horns everywhere. Everywhere! Everywhere! Oh my god, this is gonna be such bad editing for me.
God damn it, Mark.
Why would I do that to myself?
Let the hunt begin.
What?
Mark,
Okay.
let the hunt begin.
You know what? Every time you say that, air horn.
Let the hunt begin.
Fuck you! No more air horns. Cancel that. Yo, future market editing, cut it out. Just don't. Do I want that or?
Do you like dicks in your ass? If so, play that card.
I don't though. Well, excuse me. All right, I'm just looking at random crap, guys. So if you see me like looking away, I'm not being rude. I just never get to look at anything anywhere in my room because I put it there and forget about it. Like my gym badges from PAX, you know, the Pokemon gym badges. Leroy Jenkins from PAX. Actually, that's relevant. I'll unpin that to show everybody. Hold up. I won this fair and square at PAX. Leroy Jenkins. Oh, is it my turn?
Yeah.
But excuse me.
I wrecked your board. Oh, okay. VM.
The BM. Let's put this back up here. Maybe if I'm good at what I do, I'll put it in the same hole. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, hit me, not my panda. Yes.
Yeah. Oh no.
Wait, why did it die?
Cause you
Because
That's cool.
my knife killed it. That's cool.
I agree with that. Good job, Blizzard. Yeah,
That
it's
hurts
Blizzard.
my feelings.
It should. It was meant to, actually.
Mid-discretion.
I don't know if I quite want to play that. Yeah, yeah. Balls to the wall, Jamie.
Damn it. Oh wait, I think I know which one that is.
Which one is it?
A freeze trap.
You don't have the balls to see if it is, though. You can't. Explosive trap! Yeah.
Oh, thank God, alright.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, I was gonna play that first.
Hot. Hot like wow.
Drink with me, friend.
Play it again, I dare you. You won't.
Play it like 4 more times.
Is this your mill rogue?
Yes, obviously. What the fuck else would I be
I'm kind of upset.
playing?
Because it's not even good.
It was gonna win the last game. You were drawing like 80 cards with that bagel.
What? But I still beat you. I could have killed you way before you.
No, not then. Last game when you surrendered because you fucked up.
Oh, you're playing that?
Of course I was.
Oh, wait. Alright. But I didn't want to attack anyway. It's cool.
Alright, hold
Can I
on.
find something like to show the camera? I have like a lot of cool stuff, guys. Shiny Mountain for
Alright, here we go,
Magic the Gathering. OP card. Oh, hot. Hot like wow.
Oh my God, yeah, here we go.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to do some serious playing next turn.
Oh yeah.
Remember Bandcamp?
Oh yeah.
I forget the max of cards you can have in your hand.
You're gonna mill next turn.
That's just rude. You suck. Like,
Got a
Oh, wait.
manipulator.
My hand is too full.
I got a manipulator.
Yeah.
And it died.
Mildred.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
Now I can just stuff my hand in your face.
Nah, chill. Why don't I have less expensive cards?
Alright, all the secrets come out. That's fine. 8 cards. I can fill that.
Job's done.
Alright, here we go.
Perry, the platypus. I have nothing to show the camera or to play with. I can put on my... You know what? I'll be the high-res Bart of Hearthstone. Hold on.
Alright, go, you're at 10 now.
That's okay. I'm the high-res Bart of Hearthstone right now. How the fuck does he play with sunglasses on? What the hell? Oh, there goes my last hope.
You are just gonna mill to death.
I could do that. Hold on, I'm thinking, Jamie.
Are you? That's new.
You know what? You know, there's a thing I like to call feelings.
Oh god, the bananas. Oh my god, why'd you give 2 bananas? Oh, and then you're gonna fight them.
Dude, the bananas. I give bananas all day long.
Alright.
All day long. So now I got my high-res Bart shades on. I got my MLG wristband. I'm ready to go. Someone sign me up for the pro leagues. Racist. Wait, the fuck? You can activate that? I'm a little upset.
Of course I can. It's whenever your hero is attacked.
That's kind of stupid. Well, I guess it's not stupid. You're racist. That's what you are.
Stupid. Got him.
I want to play a card really bad, but I know you're going to mill me, so I'm trying to, like, throw away my hand as fast as I can.
Well, you don't know I'm gonna mill you, because I also have 8 cards in my hand.
Oh, that is true. Are you trying to trick me?
I don't know, I might be. But I might also be trying to do the same thing as you and just dump my hand on the field. Then again, I did just vanish.
Or let the dogs out. You know what I'm saying?
Let the tank out. Alright. Did someone say play 8 taunt cards?
Nope. Not at all.
I think I heard.
And no one judged me on how my hair looks alright. I didn't really, like, brush it at all. Or I combed my hair. I didn't really comb my hair today. I was too cool for school.
Wait, I could have just. Oh, no, but then you would have done the again.
Fuck!
Yeah!
That's fine. Ain't even mad.
Don't get mad, get glad.
Seriously, though.
Low.
Oh, we'll play, yeah, we'll play.
Well
Noise, 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 noise.
The buzzing
The buzzing
Oh,
buzzard.
wait, you had to hit that thing. Oh, yes, that means I got this.
Do you, though? Oh, that's racist. Well, that's not that bad.
Death does not scare me.
Alright. Alright.
Hit me. You want no balls?
What if I said I had balls, though?
Then I wouldn't believe you.
Not a Malachi.
Shit.
That's the bite. I'm gonna cry. No, it's not. You're not. You're out of them, I think.
You know... You know...
I don't think you have 6 damage. Some still the death light. Oh, you don't. You don't have to believe this.
Yeah, I do.
Hunting low.
Forget it about something. Forget about something shitty. This is gonna be the thumbnail right here.
Alright.
Anyways, giving myself long enough to realize that should have been the thumbnail.
What?
Me looking off into the distance.
Going for distance. Going.
I think I'm gonna keep. Should I keep playing Hunter?
Oh. I'll play Hunter though. You want me to? No. I don't want to.
I'm going for the ratchet plays.
Alright, this time I've got this in the bag.
Do you?
Yeah, there's no escape.
Jaina versus Valera.
Watch your back.
I ain't gonna watch shit.
For it.
Oh my god.
You know what? I'm gonna be ballsy and just trash my whole hand.
I'm gonna keep my whole hand. Good luck playing cards.
Oh, you're gonna be surprised. I mean, I like to think attack slows you down. I mean, all it does is just give you lag and lag. You just get some 0-4s with taunt out there, and you basically win the game. The other person lags out so hard their computer crashes.
Well,
All right.
you by the balls now. Playing taunts.
They're all golden though, so it's okay.
It's not.
It is though. I promise
Do
you.
you mind if I roll need, Mark?
I kind of do. I wouldn't prefer for you to roll need, but I wouldn't mind you rolling need.
Taste the mana.
I need a gold. I need gold everything. I need to make this hero gold. I need to get all gold cards. Have an all gold deck. Oh, gold. My lava lamp's running and it looks really cool. Hold on. Ooh, my room's bright as hell now. No, thank you.
I need one card and then I'm gonna win the game.
Did I help you get it?
Maybe. We'll see. Oh my god.
Did I?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm proud.
Alright.
I'm glad I can help whenever I can.
Give me
Don't
a
get mad,
quest.
get glad.
I'm a little mad now. Alright. I see you. I see you. Alright. I see you. Whoa.
Targets.
I thought that would take out the stealth.
Bitch. Alright, here we go.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. My viewers know what I'm talking about.
Alright, here we go. That's game, boys. Perfect.
Perfectly.
More card draw. Damn it. Let's see, what's next?
Damn it.
Play. I can go. Alright. I can go like this. I can go like that. Go like this. Oh, wait. I can't because I need that. So what I'm gonna do is this. And then I'm going to do that. And then I'm gonna do this.
Ratchet. I even took off my sunglasses. Come to think of it, I'm bringing this to SBL for Bart to sign them, actually, now that I think about it. If he can, they're small, though. Alright. Alright. I
Can
believe.
you do 7 damage AoE? If that's a fucking vaporize.
What a rush.
That's a vaporize.
Whatever, that's fine.
Ow, ow, ow. Try to be cool, pinch my ear.
Alright.
Oh, do I have a message on my phone? Watch it be Victoria, though. No, Daniel Wu.
Alright, that's fine. Here we go.
Hentai on the daily.
See, I don't want to use this just in case. Ice barrier. Yes. Yes.
I don't even. Do I still have Vaporize in this deck? That's a good question.
Thank God that worked. Okay. Okay. Alright. It's done its job. I don't need him anymore.
Alright, everybody knows. Could be alright.
Give me a quest.
I quit. You're like so ratchet, it's not even funny!
See, I get. Just go like this, right?
You are absolutely ratchet.
I had exact lethal. But you like fucked everything up.
What a rush.
You kind of missed the big one.
All I can
Oh my
do
God,
is...
you didn't kill it.
I can't kill it, though!
Looks like game, boys.
This guy's toast.
Nope, I'm one off. No, I'm not. Here we go.
Well,
You know what it was?
Who's the prep?
I looked cool. Alright? But the Bart shades, they just blinded me from seeing the truth. Alright?
Rogue is the best.
Only wear Hira's Bart approved sunglasses. They are approved because I tweeted him. They are only wear them if you know you're gonna win. Only wear them if you know your opponent. Only wear them if you're pro league status.
Mark. Oh my God, that was one of the best. All right, are we playing again?
I kind of don't want to.
Miracle Rogue is like. the
Wait,
best.
did I win the first one?
Yes.
We have to play again. Can't just end it there.
All right.
I need something else to wear, though. I need better luck than that.
Fight the pillow, Mark.
Oh no, I don't want to see seem like a dominatrix wearing a mask. That's kind of creepy. I don't know what to wear.
Starting can't hurt.
Oh my God! I turned around to such a beautiful starting hand. Huh. I bet everybody watching was like, "Turn around, turn."
Damn it! All right, I think I lost this one.
Nah, chill. I got this.
Starting hand 646.
Trust me, I got this.
Do you feel icky?
Icky Vicky. Oh, so sickly.
I can wait and fish all day.
I could wait and fish all day.
All day. Listen, I'm cracking my knuckles. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do it. All right. Sorry, Harris Bart, but I'm not gonna seem cocky. All right. I'm not gonna put on the approved sunglasses. Sorry. Maybe another time.
Can you fish and wait all day?
Yeah.
Egg Nervian, no.
Egg Nervian with taunt.
It's Nerubian. Did you know that?
It's what?
Nerubian.
Yeah.
I didn't know that till like kind of like.
What'd you think it was?
I forget. Nerbian?
I quit.
Yeah, it could have been.
More like Nerdbian. Oh!
Got him.
Thanks.
Problem.
No problem.
Problem? Nope. Alright.
Listen.
I'm gonna have to kill that bagel now.
I still have a mana coin, by the way. Wait, that Earth Shock didn't come from that Pagel. That was my starting hand. Don't get jelly.
I'm gonna go like that.
I didn't burp. What you talking about, Willis? That was racist. That was straight up disrespectful.
Nat racist, not a pacist.
What?
Shut up. Who's this texting me? You should have killed my spider and then done that. It would have been the worst.
Shh.
Okay. I'm gonna hold on that and just go wombo combo.
Wombo of the combos.
Fight the pillow mark.
Going in dry. Alright. What you got there? Explosive trap?
No.
Are you sure? So if I went like boom. See?
Well,
So-
I don't know.
There was some racist gameplay going on right there. The Earth Mother is near. Alright?
Take heart, bitches.
I have to pee really badly. Why is it when I record you want to win?
Because I know how to play this game, and when you're not recording, I'm like, ugh, better just let him be happy.
Don't get mad, get glad.
Don't get mad, get glad. No, that's annoying. You know, I've gotten like one of, like, you know, with those one-on-one letters that makes another one come to my hand.
Sure.
You know, like gives me a beast, a random beast. Oh, fuck your dinkleberries.
Dinkleberry? Ew. What the fuck? Fuck you, Dinkleberries. Ew. Ugh. Racist. Double racist. All the way across the sky.
Double racist all the way across the sky.
Do you get that reference? Please
It's
tell
like
me you
double
do.
rainbow. It's
Yes.
Lux, it's Lux.
Alright, alright. It went from looking good to looking terrible. Hello, Griffin. How are you? This is my favorite part of Hearthstone, right there. Little bottom of the screen, look.
Hey Mark, how are your pants feeling?
A little wet.
If I did that gives me that and that. There we go.
Can I tell you why I'm okay with that?
Why?
Like, do you even care is the real question.
Yeah, I asked you, didn't I? Do you have a Holy Nova?
Listen. This priest.
I know.
Listen. Jamie,
Mark,
I hope that we can still be friends.
we can't. That's not lethal.
No, it's not.
Do you have another one?
Wait, I
No,
need
you
it.
don't have enough mana for another one.
Wait, let me do math in my head.
You've only got 11. You're off by 4.
You have lethal, though.
I have tons of lethal.
I would have had lethal if I knew I was going to survive one more turn.
Oh my god, here we go.
Here we go. Let go.
Oh my god. Alright then. Wait, wait.
Pour to the culoque.
I have enough secrets to sustain me forever.
Culo. I hate you so much.
Holy Nova. Combo. Holy Smite. Some form of damage. Alright.
Nice. Just a random taunt.
Okay, alright.
I really need to pee.
Okay, that's game. I need, okay, here we go. Got him, coach.
Oh, I got really confused. I'm like, why isn't he just killing me? Don't do it. Don't. Just don't. You don't want to do this. I know you don't. Something tells me you have an explosive trap.
Now, what would that be?
An explosive trap? What's that?
No, what is telling you that you got
You left me with exactly 2 health. And had 2 secrets on your hero.
Well, I know one of them is not an explosive trap.
Can my minion? No, my minion can't beat me.
What?
Oh, that's cool. It's alright.
Well, that was well played.
My mom is calling me. Alright, that's where I end this episode. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share this with your friends and family. Bye.